I want to take a minute, welcome you, and say congrats on receiving the invitation to the Rise Network. You're about to have access to this platform 100% free, and it'll be your gateway to financial freedom. Now, in the last decade, from 2010 to 2019, my partners and I have generated over $40 million with affiliate marketing, network marketing, and e-commerce, and we've helped tens of thousands of entrepreneurs attain freedom from the 9-to-5 grind. But that decade has come to an end. And a lot of the strategies that we used, taught, and others are clinging to right now do not work as well as they did even just a few years ago. And I guarantee you felt this. You've probably tried MLMs, network marketing companies, affiliate marketing. You've probably taken a shot at e-commerce, and 2019 has left you wondering what's next, as there's been a huge decline for the average person in all of those fields. So what is next? What is the next business model that you can leverage in 2020 and beyond? Well, it's a concept that we call exploitation. And while you might think that that's a negative term, it's not. It's actually a symbiotic relationship that we have with billion-dollar companies. And it's the key to financial freedom in 2020 and beyond. And we've been using this model since 2019 to generate us 12 income streams on semi-autopilot. So here's what we do in the exploitation business model. What we do is we exploit multi-billion-dollar companies to do all the heavy lifting while we make the majority of the profits. We literally get major companies to do all the product research, manufacture products, ship those products, provide services and support to customers, maintain stores and sales funnels, and they hand us the majority of those profits in the process. And here's what that means for you. That means you don't have any inventory and you don't have to stock products. You don't have to chase your friends and family to pitch them on your next latest and greatest business opportunity that you know they're going to fail with. There's no limitations and small ranges of products. There's no tech nonsense of building sites and stores where you have to really dig into that techie side of yourself and maybe you got it right and maybe you didn't. And there's no tiny commissions or small profit margins that make it almost not worth your while to even get started. All of that is gone. You don't have to deal with that. Now, doesn't that sound a little bit better and simpler than the income models you've been trying to do? And here's the deal, it gets better. What we do then is we go a step further and we even get these companies to build massive sales forces for us so that we get paid for sales we didn't even generate. It's actually mind-boggling what you can do if you know exactly what platforms to exploit and how to exploit them. Now, the choice is simple for you. You can keep spinning your wheels, jumping from company to company, or wasting your money on silly courses with the hopes of trying to learn how to grow an income in 2020 and beyond. Or you can start focusing on this new business model that works now and will dominate the next decade by exploiting billion-dollar companies and leveraging their infrastructures. Guys, gals, this is game-changing. All you need to do to learn more about this and get started with it is click the button below and create your free Rise Network account, and then we're going to walk you through step by step this exploitation business model, and you can start profiting as early as tonight. So click on the button below, create your free Rise Network account, and we're going to walk you through step by step everything you need to do in this system in order to start generating an income online. All right, I'll see you on the inside.